Your brown eyes shining like the midnight tide. We were barefoot on the coral sand. You put your heart inside my hand. Ukulele crying soft and low. Warm island wind moving slow. You said, Lewa, don't forget tonight. Paradise fades with the morning light. Lewa, every wave keeps calling your name, and every sunset don't feel the same since you sailed away from me. One night in Fiji, one kiss changed everything in me. Now every love song hurts so sweetly, like your shadow still holding me. One night in Fiji, under the stars by the coconut trees. Now I'm lost somewhere between heaven and memories. I still hear the old guitar playing sad songs from a distant bar, and every drop of summer rain brings your voice back again. I tried moving on, I swear I tried, but your love lives deep inside, like a fire under island skies, still burning after goodbye. There were every road just leads to you, and every dream feels too damn true, like you never really left. One night in Fiji, one touch still got a hold on me. Now my lonely heart beats empty, like the tide pulled out to sea. One night in Fiji, you were my forever briefly. Now I drown in what could be with heaven in my memories. Oh, maybe somewhere on another shore, you still think about me more. Maybe love was just one night, but to me it felt like life. And if I could turn back time, I'd stay with you beneath those lights. No planes, no tears, no leaving dawn, just your heartbeat in my island song. One night in Fiji, still the most beautiful pain in me. People stop when they hear our story, like they can feel your ghost on me. One night in Fiji, when love came easy, but didn't stay easy. Now every wave sings your melody.